Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right eyelet and washer for the metal thickness, then mark and center punch the hole so it cuts cleanly. Use a clamp or vise to hold the work. This prevents warping and keeps your hands safe. Once secured, position the punch and die and give a controlled strike with a hammer, firm, not wild, so the hole is neat. Make sure the die is aligned under the material before each strike, because alignment determines a tight, durable fit. You place the eyelet through the prepared hole, washer beneath if the system requires it, and rest the head on the anvil or setting base. Once done, slide the setter over the eyelet barrel. Make sure everything is perfectly perpendicular to avoid wobble. Tap with measured strikes, short, controlled hits, so the flange flares and the barrel compresses against the washer. Then inspect the flare and barrel. If the barrel is uneven, repeat with lighter taps to refine the compression and secure a flush. Professional finish. You finish by deburring sharp edges and verifying alignment and pull strength. Tug the material to confirm the eyelet holds. If the eyelet sits proud or is loose, reseat it with lighter, centered taps rather than more force, because overdriving deforms the flange. If the barrel crushed or split, remove and replace the eyelet and correct the die height or hammer technique. Use a softer mallet or a heavier anvil as needed. One troubleshooting tip. Inconsistent compression usually means misalignment. Realign and retap carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.